In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up a schedule that can be used with various features that will define how incoming calls are handled based upon the time of day, day of week, month, year, or even holidays. I am going to demonstrate how to do this by accessing these menus through the web portal. So I will launch a browser and log in to the web portal. Contact your system administrator if you need additional assistance on the web portal URL, your user ID, or password. On the left side of the screen, under Options, click on Profile. Then under Basic, click on Schedules. Schedules can be used with different features to change how incoming calls are handled based upon the time, day, or even holidays. For example, if you were using the Clearspan Anywhere feature, you could set up a schedule so that during business hours, incoming calls would ring your office desk phone and also ring your mobile phone. But after hours and on weekends, incoming calls would only ring your office desk phone and would not ring your mobile phone. Business hours can vary for each person. For this example, my business hours are Monday through Thursday, 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. and Friday, 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. So let's create a schedule that will do this. Click on the Add button. Type the name of the schedule. I will type Business Hours. Then select the type of schedule. Your choices are holiday or time/calendar based. For this example, I'm going to create a time-based schedule. Then click OK. That was the first step to add the name of the schedule. The next step is to add the details or events. Click on the schedule name and then click on the Add button to add the first event. Type in the name of the event. Since the hours are different, I'm going to need two events, Monday through Thursday and one for Friday. I will create Monday through Thursday first. The event can either have a range with a specific start and end date, or it can be recurring. If you are going to use recurring event, then enter the same start and end date. If you want to select 24 hours, you can check the all-day event box. I want this event to recur weekly. Under the recurrence pattern, use the drop-down box and select weekly. I have the option to select every week, every 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and so on. For every week, I will leave the entry at 1. I will select each day for the event. Then select when you want the recurring condition to end. Your choices are never, after a defined number of occurrences, or by a selected future date. For this example, I will select never. When you are finished, click on the OK button. That was Monday through Thursday. Now let's add Friday. Click on the Add button. I will name the event Friday. Select a start and end date. Type in my time. Select weekly recurrence. Select Friday. And select never end. Then I will click on the OK button. I now have two events. I can repeat the process to add additional events. If you would like to delete an event, select the Delete checkbox to the left of the event and click on the Apply button. If you need to modify an event, click on the Edit button. Make your changes and click on the OK button. These are all of the events I want to add, so I will click on the OK button. This brings me back to the Schedule Names page, where I have the same type of choices. Delete the entire schedule, including all of the events associated with it, edit the schedule, add a new schedule, or click on the OK button to return to the main profile menu. As I mentioned earlier, schedules can be used with various features, such as the Clearspan Anywhere feature. As a side note, a separate tutorial is available on how to set up and use the Clearspan Anywhere feature. Quickly, let me demonstrate how you could use the schedule we just created with the Clearspan Anywhere feature. Click on Call Control, Clearspan Anywhere, then click on the Edit button to the right of your Anywhere number. Click on the Selective Criteria tab. Click on the Add button. Fill in the description. Then select Use Clearspan Anywhere. Your other choice is Do not use Clearspan Anywhere. I might select this option to not use the Clearspan Anywhere feature during a specific holiday. Next, from the Selected Time Schedule drop-down box, select Business Hours. This is the schedule we just created, and click on the OK button. I can see my business hour schedule is active, will be used for all calls. So that is how to add the schedule to the Anywhere feature. In addition to Clearspan Anywhere, here are some additional features that can use a schedule.